What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, going, blessed, and prosperous day. I'm going to make this video today before I go to bed. I made one earlier, but I'm going to release this one tomorrow. So when you see it tomorrow, you'll be like this. You know what? He ain't got no sense. Okay, okay. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're staying corona-free. Hope you're washing your hands and just doing everything that I just did. Not doing what I just did. I love you guys. You're the best. But look, anyway, we're going to keep it going. I want to talk about Dollar Tree. Start your garden, y'all. If your Dollar Tree anywhere near you got anything, you go get it. This whole video is about what you can get from the Dollar Tree and how you can use it. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Look, these are the little trays that hold pots. All this from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you some Dollar Tree stuff that you can get. These are little seedling trays. And there's 6 for $1. And you can put your pots down in there and they'll self-water. And when it's too much water, it'll stay down in the reservoir, which is the little crevices down in the plastic, okay? So don't think when you buy this, it's only 1. It's 6. Okay? Okay. Now, these pots right here. This is my cousin Terry's pot. I gave her this pot so she can start growing her own things. And it has its own self-watering reservoir. Look at that. You can just pour the water right in there and the water from the bottom. And look at her plants. Planted on March 28th. She has cucumbers. She has all kinds of stuff. Yeah. Dollar Tree pot. Dollar Tree pot. Okay? Okay. Dollar Tree also has the huge plastic that does the same thing I just said, but it's for bigger plants. Dollar Tree also offers potting soil. Okay? Now, this potting soil, let me keep my words clean. It's okay, y'all. You just gotta amend it. Add some extra stuff to it because I tried it. It may work for some things that like heavy, dense soil because it retains moisture like I don't know what. Okay, I love it when it comes to retaining moisture. So don't sleep on this potting soil mix. Buy as much as you can buy. Okay? Ain't nobody got time to be choice. Anybody got no money? Anybody got no money? You better get what you can get. Love it. You can mix it in and amend it. Also, Dollar Tree offers the big pots. See? And this is what these are for. You can set them right down in there. Bam! And there you go. Like I said, this video is going to be short and sweet. I'm telling you, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Look at my, these are not my tulips, my daisies, maybe. But look, they give you the cup, the seed starter. Look, Dollar Tree, $1. They gave me the cup, the soil pellet, which you put water on, and the seeds. There you go. Bam. They also have these. You can plant several different things. You just saw me do the lettuce. Okay. Okay. Don't sleep on that seed starting mix. If you can find it, get it. If you can find the seed starting mix at Dollar Tree, this is wonderful. Shout out to New Orleans Gardener for even just telling me about it because I would have walked right past it. I really would have. But it's great. Someone asked me today, where did you get your labels? Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree labels. See? They say show it. Where did you get it? Show it. Dollar Tree label. There you go. Okay. Somebody really asked me, say, show the label. Where you get it from? Thank you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. I love all your comments and your questions. I'm just like you. And we're going to do this together. Okay? Dollar Tree. If you want to start your containers in red cups, Dollar Tree. 16 cups for $1, you guys. You can't beat that. Okay. You can't beat it. 16 cups for $1. Yep. You can start your garden with that. Yeah, I'm giving Dollar Tree a shout out today. Shout out to Dollar Tree because y'all hooked me up. I was buying this stuff long before Corona. I was at the store buying it. And everybody like, you got enough? I didn't know what I was doing, but I was doing it. I mean, I did know what I was doing. I was just racking up on a good deal. Look at these containers, you guys. Yeah. The ones that have stacked up on the back, they stack them. You can stack them as high as you want them to go. Dollar Tree, $1. You know, you don't have to buy everything at one time. Every time you go to the Dollar Tree, buy $5 worth, $10 worth. That's all. Look, still have plenty of these grow kits. And this is the cornflower grow kit. Yep, Dollar Tree. Still have some flower rockets. I don't use everything as soon as I get it. I'm like that little kid that saved their candy to the end. Okay. You ain't getting nothing, man. But no, I would love to share with. Well, can't. Oh no, flowers. This is a flower rocket. I can't share that. But I will share all my vegetables and stuff with the people that need it. And then we also have another flower rocket. These are the painted daisies. You know, you guys, we're early in the season. This is my first time growing this early. And if you go back to my older videos from April the 14th last year at my old home, you'll see. Scroll back through my videos, you guys. Okay, look at the old ones and see how far I've come just doing this YouTube thing. Hey, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Y'all just don't know. Some of you do know because you send me so much love. Now, these are the daisy grow kits too. Yeah, I don't use everything. Now, this is a mixture of hummingbird mix, they say, to put in your hummingbird feeder. Ow, I didn't bring the hummingbird feeder in, but that's what it looks like what's on the package. I don't know. I have to research it before I use it. I have 2 hummingbird feeders out there, but I didn't put anything in there yet. Okay? Because somebody advised me, maybe, just check this out before you use it. I don't know. I love advice. I love it, and I'm always going to follow it. Shout out to, you know who told me check this out. Love you. But yeah, you guys, all this is from the Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, you guys. Use what you have. They also have seeds. I don't have any of their seeds packets with me, but I just wanted to show you. Oh, look. Look at the plants. Look, in the container, Dollar Tree tomato. Look. Look how huge. These are Rutgers. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look, they're about to be transplanted. Okay, so I'll make another video on that. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for clicking like and subscribe. Share these videos with your family and friends. I know I'm ratchet when it comes to my videos. I'm all in out the screen. You know, I don't do no editing. I don't do no cutting. I'm just keeping it real. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it. Stay safe, you guys. Keep your loved ones safe. Wash your hands over and over and over. Keep safe. I love you. You're the best. Live, love, laugh.